Hello, this is Nelda from Gift Elements. Firstly, we would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to our channel. We are extremely grateful for your support and hope you can continue to help us spread the word. Today, we are happy to announce the launch of our first custom gift accessory, which is a personalized wedding gift tag. So today, I want to show you how you can personalize this gift tag with the names of the bride and groom, as well as the wedding date. I am now on the product page itself, so to get to this page, simply place your cursor on the shop link at the top navigation and then click gift tags on the drop-down list. You can see that we have quite a number of gift tag products. Go to the site menu on the right and to the message list selection. Choose Personalized on the list. The site will immediately filter out the custom gift tag. We only have one at the moment, but we have plans to launch more this year in 2018. Go ahead and click on the product link. It will take you to a thank you gift tag that would look really nice on wedding favors for guests. It measures 5 by 6 centimeters or about 2 inches by 2.5 inches, rectangular shaped with rounded corners and a top left hole for the string to go through. The price is in Singapore dollars by default, but simply click on the currency conversion buttons to see prices in US dollars or euros. There is a minimum order of 100 pieces, but the more tags you buy, the more price discounts you will get. Now that we have scrolled down to this section, this is where you can provide the names of the bride and the groom, and you can also choose which name will appear first. You can also have the date of your wedding printed on the tag. If you do not wish to personalize this tag, simply check I do not wish to personalize this tag. And when you're ready, simply just click Add to Cart and proceed to view your shopping cart. And here you can see that all your personalized details have been captured. We will receive this information when you check out and will process your order. This is what your gift tag is going to look like, and it looks gorgeous on wedding favors. So we hope that you will give this product a try. You can write to us on this email if you have any questions. And also please watch all our videos on gift wrapping tips. If you enjoy them, please share, like, and subscribe.